Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit or remove your home or work address from Uber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Uber app and look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several tabs there and you need to tap on Account. This is where all your personal settings and preferences are stored, so it's the main hub for making changes to your profile information. Once you're in the Account section, look for the option that says Settings and tap on it. This will open up a menu where you can adjust various aspects of your Uber account, including your saved addresses, payment methods, and other important details. Now let's start by editing your home address. In the settings menu, locate and tap on shortcuts. This is where Uber stores your frequently used locations like home and work, making it faster to set your destination when you're in a hurry. These shortcuts are designed to save you time by eliminating the need to type in your full address every time you book a ride. Next to the home address, you'll see three dots. Go ahead and tap on those three dots. This will bring up a small menu with different options for managing that particular address. From the menu that appears, tap on Address. This allows you to edit the current location that's saved as your home address. Now, you can input your new home address in the field provided. Take a moment to make sure you've entered the correct address, as this will be the default location Uber uses whenever you select home as your destination. After you've entered the new address, tap on Save Place to confirm the changes. The app will process your update and replace the old home address with the new one you just entered. Now, if you want to completely remove your home address instead of just editing it, the process is slightly different. Tap the three dots next to Home again, and this time select Delete from the menu. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this saved location. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Go ahead and tap Delete to confirm your home address will now be removed from your shortcuts. The process for editing or removing your work address is exactly the same. Just tap the three dots next to Work, choose Address to edit it or Delete to remove it entirely, and follow the same steps you used for your home address. And that's it. You've successfully updated or removed your saved addresses in Uber. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.